United Architects of the Philippines, and professional practice in 15 seconds. Part of the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act 9266, replacing the 1979 Document 201 under the scope of pre-design services. Feasibility studies is a detailed analysis of the project based on a pre-feasibility studies will determine the viability of a proposed development. The studies will set the project against the present and future trends to forecast how it will perform over the time. This requires primarily data gathering and analysis. Okay.